everyone, my name is Ashi. I belongs to Kanpur. I am very happy as I was placed in Samsung company with a salary package of 2.4 LPA. Now I want to discuss my journey with Avision. I had started my journey in Avision in December and I got placed within 3 months. The journey with the Avision is so good. The Avision provides me hands to hands information, hands to hands help, support, and they concentrate on improving our skills. They keep on improving. They help at each and every step. Avision not only is a part to implement your career skills, it also provides you a huge variety of skills knowledge. They provide you a knowledge in networking, which is one of the basic components in today's scenario. So Avision plays an important part in getting me a job. So I would like to suggest you everyone to go for a Avision if you are a fresher. Thank you.